Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to complete Euro 2024 quest in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by a tap on this quest feature. So there is a new event, the Euro 2024. And also there is a quest. This is the Euro quest. So there are total six tasks that you can challenge, you can complete. So the first one is challenge master. Play 15 Euro challenges, so you can gain 100,000. You can earn 100,000 coin, 30 adventure point that you can use to play adventure chapter in the Euro event. So you have to play this 15 times. So and that Euro match, so you can play 20 daily matches in the Euro main chapter. So you can go to the Euro main chapter and play 20 daily matches there, and you can gain 200 gem and 30 adventure point and win 15 division rival matches. You can play versus attack head to head or manager mode, try to win it. Open the pack. You can go to the a store and try to search the free pack of this event. You can tap top events, try to scroll down, and this one free pack, you can try to open the pack, tap free button, tap to open, and we open the free pack. Let's get back to the quest. Let's get back again. See, there is two pack that I already opened, and last the fifth is login, claim 20 login rewards, so you can log in 20 days consecutively. And last one is Euro adventure, so you can move around the chessboard for 30 rounds in the Euro adventure chapter. You can go to see what is Euro adventure chapter. So you can go to the Euro adventure, the last chapter of this Euro event. This is the Euro chapter, so you can move by 20 of adventure point. Use 20 adventure point. Here you can try to complete this 30 times to get the reward. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.